Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can access your OneDrive in your PC. OneDrive is an application both that is compatible in using by your PC as well as on your mobile phone. And now to use your OneDrive on PC, all you have to do is go onto your Google Chrome browser and simply search for OneDrive.com, and after that log into your account and you'll be able to log into your OneDrive in your PC as well. You can see that I am currently logged into my OneDrive, where now I am able to share all of my files, upload it, and even have it backed up into my laptop or PC as well. If you don't want to use the website version of OneDrive, you can also go on to the download OneDrive option, where you'll be taken into this kind of screen where now you are able to download OneDrive application directly into your PC or laptop as well. To do so, simply click on the download, and now you can see that the OneDrive setup exe will be downloaded, from where simply follow some simple instructions that will be provided here and you'll be able to download the app as well. And that is how you can access your OneDrive on your PC or laptop. This is also this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment, review, and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.